Truck's running. Let's fast forward a bit. The keyway on the crank is pointing at the top, the #1 cylinder at top dead center. The 0 is lined up with the keyway when the 0 is supposed to be lined up with straight up, so that the cam dot sprocket here, the cam sprocket, that dot, will line up and down. That's why this isn't flat. This dowel and this are pointed down when they should be pointed directly at the #1 cylinder at top dead center. Here's the precision machined crescent now. Valve relief, no sharp edges, no metal left around it. The little cup trick does it. It's not perfect, but it's what I can do. It's what I'm gonna do, and that's good enough for me. Give you an update because I haven't recorded in a few days. So I started working this on Wednesday, a week and a half ago. It's now Saturday night at 9:30, a little bit after 9:30. And, well, it's almost all the way back together. And I say almost in the way that the front clip still needs to go on. Crank pulley's not on because, let's see if we can get a good angle. Got to put the crank pulley on, tighten down the timing cover, oil pan, did some snazzy painting. As you can see, I painted the timing cover, painted the valve covers, cleaned up some other stuff here. What is this? These are the brackets that hold the coils. So I shined those up nice and good. Cleaned the coils themselves, get all the dust off of them, make sure the harness was good. And that's pretty much what's going on tonight. Everything's hooked up. I still need to put oil in it. I have the radiator in, AC. It's got oil in it, belt's hooked up, plugs are hooked up, batteries hooked up. Looking for fires, looking for smoke, don't see any. This will be the first start for this truck. What's going on? Oh, it lost battery. I don't know if this is the right thing to do. The next morning, this is attempt number 4. Let's look at the voltage. Let's look at the voltage. Is it going to go up high enough? Probably not. All right, aside for a massive exhaust leak on the driver's side, that's not that bad.